Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare vitamin E capsule or coconut oil. Follow along to learn which option suits your skin, hair, and cooking needs. I will explain absorption differences, topical uses, edible safety, and simple cost contrasts in clear, friendly steps. Expect practical tips, easy routines, and quick dos and don'ts to help you choose confidently. Stay tuned for demonstrations and a short summary at the end. Let's get started. Ready? Topical routines matter for results and safety, so I will walk you through realistic steps. Apply vitamin E to targeted scars or dry spots and use coconut oil sparingly as a sealant after dampening skin. Rotate use to monitor reactions and avoid heavy layering that clogs pores. I will describe quantities, frequency, and simple combos you can try within a week to note changes and track tolerance in everyday life. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort that lasts. And yes, that matters when you step into self-care routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a pair if you like the idea, and now let's get back to the video. When it comes to edible use and hair care, practicality wins. I will explain safe vitamin E intake ranges and which food sources boost levels naturally. For cooking, coconut oil handles medium heat and lends texture, while a little on hair ends tames frizz and adds luster. I will give dose-friendly examples for hair masks, cooking swaps, and how to combine both safely for balanced benefits without overdoing it.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.